Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed guide on repairing the BIOS of your Dell Alienware M18. In this video, we will walk you through the necessary steps to resolve common BIOS problems. Let's get started. First, let's gather the tools you will need. 1. A Phillips screwdriver, size number 0 or number 1 will work well. 2. An anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to your components. 3. A can of compressed air for cleaning. 4. A USB flash drive to create a bootable BIOS recovery drive. Once you have your tools ready, turn off the laptop and disconnect it from the power source. Now, remove the battery if it's removable. This is important to ensure your safety while working on the device. Next, let's open the back cover of the Alienware M18. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the back panel. Be sure to keep track of these screws in a small container to avoid losing them. If you encounter any resistance, check if there are any hidden screws or clips holding the panel in place. After removing the back cover, you will see the internal components. Take a moment to clean the internals with your can of compressed air. Dust buildup can cause overheating and other issues, so it's crucial to keep the components clean. Now, locate the CMOS battery. This small battery is usually coin-shaped and is responsible for keeping the BIOS settings intact. If your BIOS issues are related to settings, replacing this battery might solve the problem. Carefully disconnect the battery and replace it with a new one, ensuring that you match the specifications. If the BIOS is still not functioning correctly, you may need to update or restore it. For this, you will need your USB flash drive. Download the latest BIOS version from Dell's official website onto your computer. Make sure to select the correct version for the Alienware M18. Once downloaded, format your USB flash drive to FAT32 and create a bootable drive using the BIOS update file. Plug the USB into your laptop and start the device while pressing the F12 key to access the boot menu. From there, select your USB drive to begin the BIOS update process. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. This step is critical. Ensure that your laptop is plugged into a power source during the update to prevent any interruptions. After the update, your laptop should reboot automatically. If you encounter any challenges during this process or feel uncertain about performing these steps, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Simply reach out, and our team can assist you. Additionally, we provide pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. No calls, no travel, just straightforward service. Once the laptop has rebooted, check if the BIOS issue persists. If everything is functioning properly, reattach the back cover and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Remember to reinsert the battery if you took it out. In summary, we covered gathering tools, cleaning the internals, replacing the CMOS battery, and updating the BIOS. If you still face issues after following these steps, feel free to contact us for a quote before repair. We're here to help you get your Alienware M18 back in optimal condition without the hassle of complicated repairs. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.